Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. V. I am Vijay Vardhan. Today I have brought you a very interesting topic related to medical field. I would like to give you a quick summary related to what are the different types of blood tests are there related to our human body, and that blood tests are common in all over the world. But before that, kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. V and click the bell icon. I hope you are all excited, right? So we'll be checking a website related to the diagnostic center and what are the different types of blood tests they are providing and what are the packages they are providing. So we'll be checking to that website and we'll be discussing briefly about each blood test later on. So here we go. So here I have opened a website related to diagnostic center where they are providing some health packages with some pricing. So we'll be opening what are the blood tests they are providing. So here master health checkup is written, so we are clicking, and here it is written complete blood picture, in shortcut it is CBP. This complete blood picture blood test will give you the entire result regarding your how is your blood is, and fasting blood sugar and post plunge blood sugar is related to the blood sugar, and lipid profile is related to your fat profile. So lipids means fat, so it will give you totally related to your fat profile, like high density level, low density level fat profile and triglycerides, and blood urea, serum creatine and serum uric acid is related to the kidneys, and liver function test is that how your liver is functioning, as liver is a very important organ in our body, so it is related to totally about liver. Serum electrolytes means electrolytes in our blood, like sodium potassium chloride, and blood for hepatitis B antigen test, and thyroxine, thyroid stimulating hormones T3 T4 TSH, and routine urine examination is related to jaundice, and chest x-ray posterior anterior view and it is digital x-ray, and electrocardiogram it is related to heart, and ultrasound scan abdomen, total abdomen scan. So here the master health checkup they are providing for 1400 rupees. They are providing this kind of blood tests, and with this blood test they will be knowing totally what are the problems you are having in your body. And for ladies also they are providing well woman health checkup, where everything mostly everything is they are providing the same, and mammography is related to woman breast, and pap smear is related to cervical cells. And here it is a diabetic profile they have given, and the person who are diabetic person they will be having a separate diabetic profile where it is just for 600 rupees. They will be giving the same, but fasting blood sugar, postprandial blood sugar with HbA1c also they were given, and routine urine examination. And here extended diabetic profile also they have given, where lipid profile also they have given along with the diabetic profile, and remaining all the same: urine for Micral test, HbA1c, serum electrolytes, some extended diabetic profile, some extra blood tests they have added in this. And cardiac profile is related to heart, where chest x-ray, posterior anterior view, ACG, 2D echo, treadmill test also they have given, and cardiac profile 1, cardiac profile 3 they have given. So mostly there are like some 50 tests are there, so they have they have done shuffling, and they have given like diabetic profile, cardiac profile, master health checkup, like that. And fever profile they have given, and fever profile complete blood picture, blood for erythrocyte sedimentation rate, and blood for malarial parasite, malaria, and blood for VIDA are related to typhoid, and routine urine examination related to jaundice, urine for bile salts and bile pigments, liver function test, dengue, IgG, IgM and NS1. So here it is a fever profile 2, prevention healthcare pack. So they have given you some thyroid, same blood tests are there, and health pack 2, and same blood test what we have. They are added some serum ferritin, serum vitamin B12, 25 hydroxy cholecalciferol, vitamin D test. And other things are STD profile related to HIV, and anemia profile, liver function test, fever profile 1, so basic fever profile like general weakness, like that they will be giving this profile, and anemia profile, calcium profile, serum, calcium, all the electrolytes profile. And PCOD related to ladies polycystic ovarian syndrome. Some back pain profile, serum, calcium, total electrolytes, and vitamin B12. Cervical spine plane, lumbar MRI cervical spine, so it is 9500. And cardiac enzymes test and metabolic profile test, and Wellman checkup. In that complete blood picture, fasting blood sugar, vitamin B12, X-ray, chest X-ray, heart electrocardiogram, and abdominal scan. And surgical profile related to operation. Whenever the person is undergoing an operation, they will be undergoing this test, whether they are eligible for operation or not. And preventive healthcare pack. So these are also mostly. And joint pain profile, routine unit, the same, everything is same, complete blood picture. And so mostly is the same. For senior citizen health profile also they are providing serum, folic acid, hydroxyvitamin D, vitamin B12, ferritin, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, C-reactive protein, retic count, and blood for ESR, mostly the same. Urology related to totally about kidneys. So for each and every blood test, the common blood test, basic blood test is complete blood picture. So friends, I have given you a summary related to the different types of blood tests, and in the next video I will be giving you briefly about each and every blood test. So friends, thanks for being wonderful audience. Kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. V and click the bell icon. Thank you very much.